Welcome to Z-Trades. Come over to ztrades.net. Check out our terms and conditions page as well as our disclaimer. Once you agree to it, you can join the Discord right here. It's completely free, or you can join in the description to this video below. I wanted to state my case on why I think Z-Trades is the best Discord out there. So you can only have 50 bots in a Discord server. We've maxed that out with the amount of analysts we have. We don't have 50 analysts. Most of them are analysts. So over in the green is me. I offer a variety of different types of trades and strategies. You can't just walk into trading and not have a strategy. There must be a strategy that you learned through a mentor, through a book, something that you've read, something that you've discovered. You must have a strategy, and I have a variety of different types of trades. I have regular day trading over here as well. These are scalps that can last anywhere from 5 minutes to possibly even an hour. Over here, this is a different type of day trading as well. This is top flow, which is the server's favorite over here. What I'm doing is I'm looking for neutral options activity on weekly contracts, and there's some volume filters there as well that I use. And I post the most bullish and bearish stocks and what options contracts they're buying. You can see yesterday these Apple calls, 195s that were 350, ran all the way to 1250. Today they hit a high of $2,500 from $350. We also posted NVIDIA calls in here for 621 a week out, as well as weeklies, and those ran from 560 and 151 all the way to from 560 to 8, 151 to 310, ran over 100%. I like to post different types of swings. UOA swings is also one of the server favorites. This was posted before the NVIDIA split, so you can imagine how well this did leading up to the split on NVIDIA. I mean, it just absolutely took off. Then also posted yesterday, NVIDIA 150s. There was a lot of unusual options activity coming in for January of 2025. Those hit $12 today. I'm not going to have enough time in this video to go through every channel because I wanted to offer the most out of any other Discord out there. I wanted to have as many traders as possible so that whoever signs up doesn't feel like they're getting ripped off. It feels like they're getting bang for their buck. And mathematically, you cannot fit, well, according to Discord's rules, since I cannot add any more bots, you cannot fit any more analysts in a server than Z-Trades has. Over here, so in the green, it's me. And the white, which I'm Bullwinkle, I'm known as Bullwinkle in the server. And the white over here, we have options day trades. Lots of different traders here. We have our lotto trades. A lot of these traders like to post SPX options, which can be very, very risky, but also very profitable. Over in the orange, we have our swing traders. So a lot of these really, really go. Some of the server's favorite here is ADEX. ADEX is a fantastic trader. He's a great guy. Very educated as well when it comes to trading. His Home Depot and Pan W calls really, really ran, especially leading up to FOMC. And the red is advance options. So what we have here is, this is me. I'm running this. One of my old roommates is helping me out too with the SPX credit spreads. So you can just see that the premium, what I'm doing with the wheel is, all it simply is me picking an options contract, picking a stock and betting where it won't go, selling a put at that price. If it goes to that price, if it's at that price or below it on expiration, I'm forced to buy the underlying equity. One contract equals 100 shares. So I'm selling on options on stocks that I would not mind owning, or that I really see the probability being very slim that they'll go there. Taking a loss is also optional to an extent because I can roll it to a further out strike, further out expiration, not be forced to buy those shares and eat up the loss with the new premium that I receive. Great strategy. I love the wheel. It's one of the most fun channels, one of the most accurate channels in here. I mean, the results just speak for themselves. I posted this today on recent options contracts that are just getting eaten alive for theta. Remember, when you're on the sell side, Theta, DK, and time are your friend, right? Stock can go anywhere it wants. Up, down, side to side, flat. Doesn't matter as long as it doesn't go to the strike I'm selling by expirations. This is a new channel that I just started. I'm doing a $1,000 account challenge in here. So I'm basically doing the same thing but with credit spreads on futures. I really like selling options on futures because the premium that's received is whopping, and I can go very, very, very out of the money, way out of the money. So the probability of being of losing is very low, and I can also roll it. So right now I started with $1,000. I'm up $60, and it's been how long? When did I start this? May. So it hasn't even been a month yet. So I'm up 6% on the portfolio. Tomorrow will be a month. It's very boring. It's one of the most boring strategies out there, but the probability is high. So a lot of these options expire in July, so I'm targeting hopefully 4 to 5% a month. Debit spreads. Most of you should know what debit spreads are. If not, you can check out some of my other videos. Iron Condor is doing that on SPX. This is a neutral play that I'm doing on SPX. I don't like to sell these anywhere near before PPI, CPI, PCE, FOMC, right? Day before or day of, I don't like to do it because those can be volatile days, and you're playing, you're betting that there isn't going to be any volatility, that it's basically the SPX on this day would stay in between these red cells right here. I love Tasty Trade because the UI is user interface is just fantastic for seeing what you're actually doing when it comes to selling. So I just collect theta. You can imagine if you bought an way out of the money call and put on SPX and held till expiration, and what do you think the probability of winning would be? It'd probably be very slim because they would get eaten alive by theta. Well, I'm doing the opposite. I'm selling that, so I receive the credit and the theta. Over here we have Megatron. He does 0-date SPX credit spreads. This is basically a half Iron Condor. He does it about an hour till close. So you're usually only in these for about 20 to 30 minutes. They can yield anywhere from $20 to $50, 20 to 50 cents per spread. 1-1-2 strategy is something I'm going to be starting. Basically, this is a ratio spread in a way. We have sponsored plays over here by Megatron, free plays. This is equity options that we have over here. You get those for free. You never have to sign up. These are 100% free here at Z Trades if you sign up for without having to sign up at all. You want to come in, you don't want to sign up for a membership, you get these for free. You also get options trades for free. Bryce posts great analysis. He's big on supply and demand. Over here in the yellow is equity. Anything to do with equity. So Mr. M's one of my favorite traders here in the Discord. He's very consistent. He's a great trader. We also have IPO plays, investing, fixed income, really boring. The channel really shouldn't exist, but it's out there for corporate bonds. Long swings, Mr. Top Hat, another fantastic trader. Dave Trader, another great guy. Short selling. This is what I'm not seeing in a lot of Discords, is short selling. It's out there on some, but it's rare. You know, whenever you open yourself up to short selling, you know, think of it this way. If I'm only playing the upside, I'm looking only at one direction. If I can play both sides, I now have double the opportunity, so to speak. SMMT blasting on news this day. I went ahead and went short, 314, 331, pretty much 15 minutes later, 20%. GameStop, this was fun. AMC with the pump. What's happened every time GME and AMC have went up? 100% of the time, they've always come crashing down. And that's where I go short. There's me, 30% on GME. So I'm not going to dive into all these channels because we don't have enough time. But we have a futures trader as well. He's already posting stuff. He's still posting stuff here at 7:51 p.m. Looks like he banked here $450 on, I don't know what that was, in natural gas. We have a crypto futures trader as well. He posts usually every day. Hasn't posted in a little bit here, but usually he's posting every day. Sometimes his plays can last a little bit before they hit. We have a sports betting analyst as well. And we even have Forex traders. We have 3 Forex traders, 3 futures traders. We're going to be bringing in another futures trader as well. So down here we have a lot of market information, dark pool sweeps, all that, our various chat rooms, more market data, more news. We have various news channels pulled from Twitter. So in my opinion, we offer a lot at this Discord. Over here at the bottom, so it didn't have to be hosted somewhere else. It's all in here in the Discord, so it's not a separate platform because it's such a pain in the rear end. We have the Z-Trades EDU. So also we do have, which is above here, custom scripts for Thinkorswim users. Some of these scripts I coded by hand and do not exist anywhere else. If you saw it anywhere else, it came from me through somebody else. And some of the other people in here have coded scripts themselves that only exist in here. And we have probably around 30 scripts available, maybe even more than that, probably around 50 scripts available to the Diamond members. We have Z-Trades EDU, where I am always adding to Z-Trades EDU, especially in the strategy section. I talk about iron condors. I talk about selling options on futures. SPX credit spreads, this is one that's coming as well. Calendar trading, different events that happen throughout the year and how I profit off that. Credit spreads, debit spreads, everything. The school gets really in depth here with the things that I believe traders need to learn to get started. Obviously, the amount of information out there, that's most of the information when it comes to learning how to trade is absolute junk all over YouTube. All the books, a lot of them are junk. It's just the basics, what an EMA, all this stuff. But I like to get into what I have personally found, and a lot of the stuff is back tested because I like to see data. I'm big on data. What's the most profitable strategies, patterns, candlesticks, right? On which time frames? Because I wouldn't want anyone to waste time reading chapter after chapter I wouldn't want to waste time reading a bunch of information that I really didn't need to use. So if you guys would like to come over to Z-Trades, keep in mind, again, if you don't want to sign up, don't. It's 100% free. We don't want your phone number. We don't want your email. I don't want anything from you guys at all. If you'd like to stay for free, you get a lot of the market data, which is down here, is completely free to you. And you also get 2 traders as well on the equity side as well as the options analysis side. So if you like this information, if you like this content, make sure to like and follow for more. And if you'd like to join Z-Trades, go to the description below and simply click on the link for Discord, or go to ztrades.net and you can join the Discord on the homepage.